everyone, my name is Paul Yapp. I'm the founder of YogaChi Canada. YogaChi is fundamentally a fusion of yoga, tai chi, chi-gong. Okay, today I'm going to take you to a topic that will help to loosen up the hip. The intention is to use movement to encourage flexibility in the body. Alright? And physically speaking, we need to have symmetry in the body. Alright? So we're going to get started right now, and place yourself into deep silence. Look within yourself, say to yourself, remember who I am and what I know. Acknowledge and sustain an ever-deepening divine awareness and consciousness within us and beyond us. Now gently open up your eyes, middle finger touching. Lift your arms up, breathe in, breath of life. For love to be in a loving and peaceful environment to develop wisdom and power. Breathe in, breath of life. For wisdom to choose correctly and properly. Breathe in, breath of life. For power to know, power to help, power to heal. Now, today we are going to cover the topic from navel down, okay, to work the exercise, to exercise the muscles around the navel down. Now, we have first here, navel down, the first part is the pelvic. Then we have the hip joints, the knee joints, and the ankle joints, okay. So we're going to work with them. The hip joints are ball and socket joint, and the knee joints is hinge joint, and the ankle joints what we call compound joints. Okay, so we're going to work with those joints. All right. So first we're going to loosen up the pelvic. You can spread your feet out slightly so that your feet is directly under your hip joints. All right. So we're going to work with the pelvic now. Tailbone to the front, tailbone to your right, tailbone to the back, tailbone to your left, tailbone to the front, tailbone to your right, tailbone to the back, tailbone to your left, tailbone to the front, tailbone to your right, tailbone to the back, tailbone to your left, tailbone to the front. We're going to change now. Tailbone to your left, tailbone to the back, tailbone to your right, tailbone to the front, tailbone to your left, tailbone to the back, tailbone to your right, tailbone to the front, tailbone to your left, tailbone to the back, tailbone to your right, tailbone to the front. Now we're going to rotate the tailbone. With the tailbone, make a circle at the floor. So you gently rotate the tailbone. With the tailbone, make a circle at the floor. Now you rotate in the other directions. With the tailbone, make a circle at the floor. Alright, now the final position for that kind of sequence is the feet are together. Now you rotate the tailbone. With the tailbone, make a circle at the floor. It is important not to move your shoulder. You want to keep your shoulder as quiet as you can. Alright, now you change the directions of rotations of your tailbone. Rotate in the other side. Alright, so that will cover up releasing the muscles around the pelvic. So the next thing we're going to do is to try to get a straight line here. We're going to work with the hinge joint. Alright, so it's simple. So simply just bend your knees, place your hands onto your knee, then press your seats down. And then coming up, place your hands onto the knee, press your seats down. Okay, now for some of you, you might want to keep your feet slightly apart. Okay, if that's more comfortable for you, then you can bend your knees, press your seats down. So it's a straight up and down. Now bend your knees and then bring your hands towards the toes and then press your seats down. And then bend your knees, press your hands down towards the toes, and then coming up, bend the knees, right down. Alright? And then coming up. That will have the straight line, training of the muscles and the hinge joint. Okay? Now, we're going to work with 3 joints together, the hip joints, knee joints, and ankle joints. At the same time, these are concatenated move. So you place your hands at the knee, your knee together. Although the knee is a hinge joint, it's not perfect hinge. It has some move towards the left, right side. It's allowed to. Now you can then rotate small rotations. Now when you do these small rotations, you'll find that the hip joints are moving, knee joints and ankle joints. So the knee joints, you cannot move in a big circle. Okay, so you can change the directions. Now you keep changing. Now you gently straighten out your back. That will bring tonify the muscles for strength and movement at the same time. Hip joints, knee joints, and ankle joints. Okay, so it's like going down skiing. Alright, so we have that kind of a warm-up. You can do as many times as you want to. So now we go and do the hip joints. Alright, now the hip joints is a ball and socket joint. There's a volumetric movement. Alright, so you can, in my case now, I'm going to take my left foot out. I can cross over front, shoulder quiet. Okay, you can put your hands here. Then cross over back. It has to be at the same point. Cross over front, cross over back, cross over front, cross over back, cross over front, cross over back, over front, over back, over front, over back, over front, over back, over front, over back, then you can front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Alright? So you can again do as many times as you want for the foot. Alright? So now we change the leg, cross over front, shoulder quiet, cross over back, cross over front, 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 over back, over front, over back, over front, over back, then front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Alright? So you have the idea. That's how you can work to get circulation within the ball and socket joints. Okay? Most of the people who work with the joints, they are on a straight line. Okay? Now, when you take a ball and socket joint, they can go this way. You just do this way. You have a planar movement. Alright? Alright, so that will work with the hip joints to give it, to help it to bring the synovial fluid around the entire joints. Okay? So that would be helping with motions in the hip joints. Now, the next joint we can work with is the ankle joints. The ankle joints is a compound joints. So you can take, in my case, I take my left foot up. Toe down, heel up, heel down, toe up, toe down, heel up, heel down, toe up, toe down, heel up, heel down, toe up. Now you may rotate your foot, with your toes, make a circle. Then you rotate in the other directions. With your toes, make a circle. Alright, now we can change the leg. Take the right foot out. This is my right foot. Now, toe down, heel up, heel down, toe up, toe down, heel up, heel down, toe up, toe down, heel up, heel down, toe up. Now you can rotate your foot. Then rotate in the other directions. Alright, that should cover both sides of the ankle. But we have something else that we need to work with the ankles, okay? So you can place your feet together. Now, tilt the right toes up, rotate your right foot 90 degrees. Then you tilt your heel up, where your right toe is, place your heel, rotate back. So you have 1 foot wide, and that is your foot, okay? Your foot, 1 foot wide, all right? So now you go to the outer edge of your right foot, then gently transfer some weight onto the outer side of your right foot. And then release, change to the left foot, transfer weight onto the outer side of your left foot. And then release, go back to the right. Release, go to the left. Okay, and then release. Alright, now remember we have measured 1 foot wide. Now gently bend your knees, place your knees together. Now you tilt the outer edge of your feet up, both, and then release. Bend your knees, bring your knees together, then lift the outer edge of your feet up. And then release. Now you bend your knees together, then lift the outer edge of your feet up. And then release, alright? Now, one of the things you can also do is you spread your toes up, put your feet up, spread the sole of your foot, spread the sole of your foot, spread the toes, and then release. Spread the sole of your foot, spread your toes, and then release. Spread the sole of your foot, spread the toes, and then release. Then you can change on the heel. Spread the sole of your foot, spread the toes, and then release. Spread the sole of your foot, spread the toes, spread the sole of your foot, spread the toes, and then release. Alright? So now we have covered how to release the hip joints, knee joints, and ankle joints. So that should give you the movement. That covers the topic for today's video. And we have to conclude by saying that place your right hand over your heart, left hand over your right hand, and make the following invocation for yourself. Okay. I'm calling forth from the great flame of life within my heart, hundreds of thousands of rhythmic waves of divine love, making my body young and healthy, more beautiful, peaceful, and harmonious in my physical, mental, and feeling sides of life, as events of this world and my world confronts me each day. Now, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment below. We have video each week to help you encourage flexibility. Thank you.